a harder challenge. Ready? Now, how about this shape? It's a circle! That's right! But how many sides a circle has? It's tricky, right? Circle has no straight sides. So, how to calculate the perimeter of a circle? Let's zoom here the circle perimeter formula. It's circle perimeter equals to 2 multiplied by pi, then multiplied by r. Okay, I got it now that you are confused. That's okay. Let me explain more here. And this pi? What a strange looking sign! This strange sign is called pi. It's not a pie for dessert, but it is a Greek symbol for calculation. It's called pi. But what actually is this pi? Well, pi is the ratio of circle's outline to its diameter. And this is a constant number. Means that we use the same value of pi for any circle. So what is the value of pi? We use pi value as 3.14. Yes, this pi value is an approximate number and it is constant. Means that the value is always the same. Whenever we use pi, the value is an approximate 3.14. R in the formula means radius. See the circle? The radius is the distance from the center of a circle to its edge. Radius is a half length of circle's diameter. Diameter is the length from edge to edge of a circle through its center. 2 times circle's radius length is equal as circle's diameter. So, Ninja, now, are you able to figure out what is the perimeter of this circle? If the diameter of this circle is 20 centimeters, it's 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by its radius. Remember, diameter of a circle is equal to 2 times its radius length. So radius is 20 centimeter divided by 2. We get radius is equal to 10 centimeter. Now, let's calculate the circle's perimeter. Circle perimeter equals to 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by 10 centimeter equals to 2 multiplied by 3.14 and multiplied by 10 centimeter. It's equal to 62.8 centimeter. Wow, another great word, Ninja. If you are not familiar with decimal number, not to worry. Please watch our fun video about decimal number only at Big&LittleRascals fun learning videos. Excellent work, everyone.